Have you ever found yourself standing in the produce aisle, staring at a head of cauliflower and wondering, what on earth do I do with this? You're not alone. Cauliflower often gets a bad rap, overshadowed by its flashier cousins like broccoli or the vibrant bell peppers. But what if I told you that this humble, unassuming vegetable is a powerhouse of health benefits just waiting to be discovered? Let's take a moment to unlock the surprising health benefits of cauliflower together. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be racing to add it to your grocery list. First off, let's talk about the sheer nutritional profile of cauliflower. Did you know that just 1 cup of raw cauliflower contains about 25 calories? That's right. It's a low-calorie food that's high in fiber, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing fullness. Imagine indulging in a generous serving of cauliflower and feeling satisfied without the guilt. It's like finding a hidden treasure in your fridge. But the benefits don't stop there. Cauliflower is a nutritional superstar packed with vitamin C, K, and B6, along with folate and potassium. Vitamin C is crucial for a robust immune system, helping to ward off those pesky colds and flu. And let's not forget about vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health and blood clotting. How often do you hear about a vegetable that can help keep your bones strong and your immune system in check? It's time to give cauliflower the recognition it deserves. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of antioxidants. Cauliflower is rich in antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body. What does that mean for you? It means that this beautiful, cruciferous vegetable can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Think about it. A simple addition to your meals could be a step toward a longer, healthier life. Who wouldn't want that? And here's where it gets even more exciting. Cauliflower is incredibly versatile. You can mash it, roast it, steam it, or even turn it into rice or pizza crust. Yes, you heard that right. Pizza crust. Imagine enjoying your favorite comfort food without the guilt. By swapping out traditional pizza dough for cauliflower crust, you're not only cutting down on carbs, but also sneaking in a serving of vegetables. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your waistline. Now, let's talk about fiber. We all know that fiber is essential for digestive health, but did you know that cauliflower is a great source? Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and can aid in preventing constipation. Plus, high-fiber foods like cauliflower can help you feel full longer, which is a game-changer for anyone trying to manage their weight. So, if you're looking for a food that can help keep those cravings at bay, cauliflower is your new best friend. But wait, there's more. Cauliflower is also low in carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for those following a ketogenic or low-carb diet. It can be your secret weapon for creating delicious, satisfying meals without the excess carbs. Whether you're whipping up a creamy cauliflower soup or a cheesy cauliflower gratin, you can indulge without the worry of derailing your diet. And let's not forget the impact of cauliflower on heart health. Studies have shown that a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables can lead to a lower risk of heart disease. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants found in cauliflower work together to promote cardiovascular health. So, by adding more cauliflower to your plate, you're not just nourishing your body. You're also taking proactive steps to protect your heart. Now, for those of you who are health conscious, you'll be pleased to know that cauliflower is also a fantastic source of choline. Choline is an essential nutrient that supports brain health and is crucial for memory and cognitive function. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with information, who wouldn't want to keep their mind sharp? Incorporating cauliflower into your meals can be a delicious way to support your brain health. Let's take a moment to reflect on how easy it is to incorporate cauliflower into your daily routine. You can toss it into salads for an extra crunch, blend it into smoothies for added creaminess, or use it as a base for your favorite sauces. The possibilities are endless. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try cauliflower steaks? Simply slice it, season it, and grill it for a hearty, satisfying meal that's sure to impress. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but how do I prepare cauliflower so it tastes good? The secret lies in the seasoning and cooking method. Roasting cauliflower with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, and your favorite spices can transform it into a caramelized, flavorful dish that will have you coming back for seconds. You can even add garlic, lemon, or Parmesan cheese to elevate the flavor profile. Trust me, once you discover how delicious cauliflower can be, you'll wonder why you didn't start eating it sooner. So, let's recap the surprising health benefits of cauliflower. It's low in calories, high in fiber, packed with essential vitamins, and a fantastic source of antioxidants. It supports heart health, aids digestion, and even boosts brain function. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your meals. Now, as we wrap up this journey into the world of cauliflower, I encourage you to embrace this often overlooked vegetable. It's time to give it the spotlight it deserves in your kitchen. So, the next time you find yourself in the produce aisle, don't just glance at that head of cauliflower. Pick it up, take it home, and unlock its incredible potential. Your body will thank you, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's make cauliflower the star of our plates and embark on this journey to holistic wellness together.